Have you ever heard that your body emits light? It's not a metaphor, it's reality. In the early 20th century, Russian scientist Alexander Gurevich discovered that living cells emit tiny pulses of light, what he then called mitogenic radiation. Decades later, Dr. Fritz Albert Popp confirmed these ultra-weak light emissions, now known as biophotons. Not just random glows, these particles of light carry intelligence, organizing, communicating, and regenerating within our cells. Biophotons reflect the coherence of our biology. The more ordered, hydrated, and vibrant we are, the more harmonized light we emit. Our body begins to speak in frequency and form, illuminated from within. And this isn't just theoretical. You can see this field. Technologies like Kirlian photography and GDV, gas discharge visualization, reveal the shape, flow, and vibrational clarity of your biofield. A direct view into how your system radiates light. And at the heart of this radiant system is your fascia, the body's living matrix. Fascia isn't just connective tissue. It's a crystalline, intelligent network, a receiver of photons and generator of biophotons, and conductor of negative ions. When hydrated and in motion, fascia becomes a transmitter of life force, clearing disease, storing memory, and activating regenesis. How do we generate more light? Through coherence. Breath, rhythmic conscious breathing resets the nervous system and activates more light. Thought, clear intentions organize and harmonize your biofield. Feelings, elevated states like gratitude, awe, reverence enhance the vibrational quality of the biofield. Movement, spirals, fascia-based motions awaken your light matrix. You are not just a body, you are a luminous field, a living architecture of light, frequency, and form. When you breathe, feel, move, and think with coherence, you don't just heal, you regenerate. So the question is, what kind of light do you want to embody?
What if your brain could glow? Scientists have discovered that our neurons may emit tiny flashes of light called biophotons. But why? Could this be a new form of brain communication? Let's dive into the mystery of biophotons in the brain. Biophotons are ultra-weak light emissions produced by living cells, including those in your brain. These particles of light are so faint that we can't see them with the naked eye, but special detectors have proven their existence. Studies show that neurons may use these photons for communication at the speed of light. Neuroscientists believe that biophotons are produced in mitochondria, the energy centers of our cells. The fascinating part? These photons may carry information, just like electrical and chemical signals. In a lab study, rat brains were found to emit up to 1,000 biophotons per second per neuron, suggesting a hidden form of light-based communication. Could biophotons be linked to human consciousness? Some scientists suggest that biophotons could allow quantum-level communication within the brain. This means your thoughts, emotions, and decisions might be influenced by light signals rather than just electrical impulses. It even hints at the possibility of a quantum mind, a concept that could revolutionize neuroscience. If the brain truly uses biophotons to communicate, this could revolutionize how we understand memory, intelligence, and even consciousness. Scientists are now exploring ways to use this knowledge in brain-machine interfaces, where light-based communication might replace traditional electrical signals. The future of neuroscience is glowing.
Biophotons. Does your body emit light with thought? There is light within you, not just metaphorically, but literally. Every second, your body emits faint pulses of light known as biophotons, ultra-weak photons in the visible and ultraviolet spectrum. Long dismissed as random cellular noise, these mysterious flashes are now being re-examined by a new wave of scientists, mystics, and bioenergetic researchers who ask, what if these emissions are more than just byproducts of biology? What if they're a language, a light-based code of consciousness itself? Biophotons are generated in living cells, particularly within DNA, the most light-sensitive molecule in the body. In fact, DNA appears to act like a biological laser, storing and emitting photons in structured, rhythmic patterns. Studies from research institutes in Germany, Japan, and Russia have shown that the brain and nervous system pulse with coherent biophotonic activity, especially during focused mental states, meditation, and deep emotional experiences. Could our thoughts, emotions, and intentions literally influence the light our body emits? In ancient traditions, this was already understood. The aura, the light body, the halo, all speak to the idea that humans radiate energy fields invisible to the naked eye, but real nonetheless. Now, modern technology is catching up. Instruments like photomultiplier tubes and ultra-sensitive CCD cameras are capturing real-time images of biophotonic emissions. Fascinatingly, the quality and coherence of this light has been observed to shift based on the mental, emotional, and even spiritual state of the subject. Biophotons may be more than cellular whispers. They may be the language of the soul, a luminous interface between mind, body, and universal intelligence. Imagine a future where healing, communication, and even consciousness expansion occur not through chemicals or wires, but through light, your own light. Maybe it's already happening.